welcome back to the kitchen. Paula here, and this is my channel, The Flavorful Home. If you're new, hello. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I do cooking, baking, which is coming in hot and heavy because the holidays are arriving way too quickly. I do crafting, and I share as much of it as I can on my channel. Today I am bringing a favorite side of mine that I've been making from the Southern Living Cookbook since 2000. That's how long I've had this book, and I make it every year. Not everyone likes cranberry, but enough of us do where it is a staple on my table. I am going to gather the ingredients, come back, and show you how we do it. I'll see you in a few. Alrighty, we have 1 package of fresh cranberries, 12 ounce. You have a tablespoon of orange zest. You have a cup of fresh orange juice. You have a cup of golden raisins, a cup and a half of sugar, a teaspoon of minced ginger. I don't know if you can see that. Minced ginger. And this is 2 celery ribs chopped and 1 medium apple chopped. I did 2 small because of the size, obviously. You're going to add your cranberries, your sugar, and your juice to a pot and get it boiling. Let's move over to the stove and we'll start that. Alrighty, we have the cranberries, the sugar, and in goes the orange juice. And it's at medium. You want to get all that mixed. And this is going to boil up. You want those cranberries to pop. Get that all stirred nice. I'm going to tilt you in. And that's going to cook up. Oh, there goes my Yogi. He's howling like a wolf. You want it to come to a boil, and then you reduce the heat and let it cook for 15 minutes. So we're going to let this go, and we'll come back. I wanted to quickly show you how they look as they cook and pop. They're coming along well. They still have a few minutes left. We'll come back. Okay, so the cranberries are cooked, and this is how they look, and they have such a pretty color too. And you're going to add your raisins and the celery, apples, and I put the ginger in here too. And mix it all. The only thing left is a cup of toasted chopped walnuts. And if Thanksgiving was Monday or Tuesday, I'd add it. But since it's not till Thursday and today is Sunday, I'm going to wait on that. And I'll add the walnuts last. It's easy enough. I don't even turn the oven on. I toast them in the toaster oven, chop them up, and mix them in. And I put this in a container, put it in the fridge. It'll gel, cool, and be absolutely delicious. And when I have it in a container ready to serve, I will show you how it comes. You can see it's starting to gel already, and it's still steaming. But that's your yummy cranberry relish. Alrighty friends, we'll come back when this is all ready to be put in its container. Hey everyone, I wanted to take a quick minute to show you how overnight it has firmed up completely, and it looks beautiful. It is such a pretty jewel ruby red, and the apples are there, the golden raisins. Tomorrow night I'll toast up the walnuts and quickly mix them in and pop it right back in the fridge. And by the way, if you don't like walnuts, you don't have to put it in there. That's just fine. But it is a beautiful color and a beautiful side. Alrighty, friends. Have a happy and blessed and full Thanksgiving. I'm going to get this loaded so that maybe someone will enjoy making this for their table too. Until next time, choose joy, friends.